This Nigerian military and Nigerian government, they are serious with this year sensitization, moving from one state to the other in the southeast to lure the youth to join the military. It is not clear on them that days are gone when youth have been brainwashed into believing that there's life and hope in military. Kaliwale military, Kaliwale defense, Kaliwale security. Well, let me not just say enough a lot. Listen to them. Listen to them that I will come back.
The Nigerian Army headquarters have begun a sensitization of mass enrollment of Igbo youths into the Nigerian Army to fill up the drop-in quota of the Southeast Zone. Today in Enugu, Army delegates are interfacing with local government chairmen, traditional rulers, a town union president, and leadership of the student union, echoing the importance and motivating Igbo youths to join the Nigerian Army, noting that withdrawal of Igbo youth from joining the army en masse could affect the collective interest of the zone.
The last quarter of last year, Enugu State had a slot of about 200 persons, but they were not able to fill up to 100. A lot of young men that really want to join the army, but for some of these sentiments being bandied around, some of them lack encouragement from the local government councils. We have come to get the buy-in of the grassroots politicians, our royal fathers, to help us to raise these numbers so that Enugu State can fill up their slots.
All right. You had them and they are blabbing, right? You have them and they are blabbing. Now, let me tell the Nigerian government and the military one thing. One, Eastern youths, the Igbo youths are not lazy. The Igbo youths, they are not lazy and they don't depend on people. They hustle for themselves, they work things for themselves. They value their life. Unlike the Northerners, where Almajiris food the streets, people that nobody is feeding for them, people that also have mindset of their own. So they believe that they can go into in that military stuff and take a shelter to fulfill the agenda of their barbarism of Islamization and terrorism. Now, another question even is this. How much is the salary of the military? A newly recruited person, corporal and the rest of them, or whatever you call them, how much is their salary? The military are campaigning, sensitizing for them to join. Is it not this one that will always come on social media, lamenting, crying on how they have been abandoned, how they have not been taken care of, how they have not been fed well, how they have missed their family for months, years? Is it the people that you want, the Southeastern youth who will go for a manual job in a day, in making 20,000, 30,000? A newly recruited soldier's salary can be between 50, 70,000. Something that someone will just make in a day. Not to talk of now that the Yahoo is now helping the boys. One cash out, they are millions. And you expect a youth to come and sacrifice his life for you. When people that have served before him are in the hospital, being bedridden from injury they receive, they are even taking care of themselves, taking treatment by themselves, while the military is not even doing anything for them. And these are the people who want them to come and live their life, their freedom, all in the name of soldier. Who soldier help? You want them to join the soldier. But look at the appointment of Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Lopsided appointment. Only Yorubas, key positions, and Northerners. But you did not call for the Southeast to look into it. Not go for sensitization. Nigeria is a hypocrite.